Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph Patrick. I am the site lead physician at Orange Mound. I've been a physician at Christ Community for more than 10 years. I'm also a proud member of the Nutrition Healthy Lifestyle Council. I frequently have patients come in and schedule wellness visits with me or annual physicals, and the question they'll ask me is like, hey doctor, I just want to be checked for everything. I want to make sure I'm healthy. And so as I've tried to answer that question with patients, I've looked into what things actually comprise health. And really it has very little to do with prescriptions I prescribe or tests that I run in the clinic. It really comes down to certain factors that are in your lifestyle. And what we've been trying to do in the Nutrition Healthy Lifestyle is to come to an agreement, what are the most likely things to promote health, and then how do we get that to our patients, but also to our staff who are spending their lives taking care of patients and helping us to make Memphis healthier. And so when a patient asks me that, what I've started doing is I would write on a sheet of paper kind of a picture of what I think encapsulates this. And on the top of that, I kind of draw a house. And on the top of that house, I just put their health. And I say, imagine that the roof of your house is your health. But obviously a roof can't stand without some support. And so I draw these 6 pillars. And these 6 pillars are things that evidence point to that will promote us being healthier, living longer, and just living a more fulfilled life. And so these pillars are, number 1, nutrition. Nutrition is actually the number 1 cause of disease in America, or lack of nutrition, I should say. And so we really want to promote a diet that's really high in fruits and vegetables and really low in processed meat and a lot of extra sugar. The second thing that has really been shown to promote health is exercise, or really with this I would call it movement, like being more active and exercising. The third pillar that promotes health is sleep, so getting good, restful sleep every night. The fourth factor is avoiding harmful substances like alcohol and tobacco and drugs and keeping those out of our system. The fifth is having good mental health, or what we call stress management. And so this promotes whether like seeing counselors, working through issues, having practices, whether it's yoga or meditation or prayer, that allows you to reduce the stress in your life. And the sixth factor is having healthy relationships. And so when I talk about this with patients, I try and ask people, who are those people in your life that make you feel good about yourself? And who are those people in your life that bring stress or maybe toxic energy into your life? And wanting to spend more time with those people that make you feel good about yourself, and really trying to limit the amount of time you're in those toxic relationships, because those really impact our health. And so what I tell people is imagine those pillars. Imagine if just one of those pillars was crumbling, it would make the roof kind of cave in. And really with a lot of our patients, and a lot of us, me included, there have been times in my life where it's not just one of those pillars, but multiple of those pillars. Like I'm going through a time in my life where I'm not sleeping well and I'm investing way too much energy in a toxic relationship. And you can imagine 2 of those pillars being out, your health is going to crumble. And then at Christ Community, we realize that the foundation of everything we believe is our relationship with God. And so Martin Luther King Jr. really promoted an idea called the Imago Dei. And it's this idea that everybody is created in the image of God. It doesn't matter who you are, what you look like God created you in His image. And because of that, you have inherent worth and value. And so we promote the base, the very foundation of our lives and of our health, is that idea that you have worth and you're worthy of living a good life and investing in these things. So over the next year, we're going to dedicate time each month to really focus on one of these pillars and to try and give you tips that you can incorporate, simple tips to improve each one of these areas of your life. And we'll also have some fun challenges that go along with it. We're going to have a step challenge. We'll have some different recipes and stuff for nutrition. So I really look forward to partnering with all of you to improve your health over this next year.